How to download and install Uber Driver app on Android phone. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the Uber Driver app on your Android phone. So if you want to start driving for Uber, accept ride requests, and earn money, just follow along step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now open the Google Play Store on your device. You can usually find it on your home screen or swipe up to locate the Play Store icon in your apps. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar at the top and type Uber Driver. Then hit search. You should see the official Uber Driver app at the top with the Uber logo. Tap on it. Next, tap the install button. The app will begin downloading, and once it's finished, it will automatically install on your device. After installation is complete, you can open Uber Driver directly from the Play Store by tapping Open, or find the Uber Driver icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When you open the app for the first time, you'll need to sign in or create an Uber Driver account. Follow the on-screen steps to provide your details, upload necessary documents, and complete the registration process. Once approved, you'll be ready to start accepting ride requests and earning money. And that's it! That's how you download and install the Uber Driver app on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick guides and Android tips.